Do you know September is Life Insurance Awareness Month? Do you have a life insurance? If you do, congratulations. You take a responsibility for your family and your loved ones and yourself. My next question for you, do you have enough coverage? What type of life insurance do you have? You maybe tell me, I have life insurance through workplace. I have enough. I hear you. And that's so lots of people said about that. Actually, the number 2 top misconception about life insurance is they thought that they have enough coverage. Really? Today I'm going to address this topic. Hi, my name is Lin Li. I'm a financial services professional. I and my team helping successful business owners or professionals who are often too busy to focus on their financial life, just like you. We help you to get a clear picture of where you're at, your goals, and execution plan so that you can be financially secure, independent, and free. For the past many years, when I ask people about their protection plan, most of them very happy and say, hey, I have a life insurance through my job. I covered. And then they can just shrug off in a way that they don't want to further the conversation. And often that can find themselves in a very detrimental situation should a life situation happen to a household. And actually, recently we just crossed a CPA, shared his journey that after his wife diagnosed with cancer, and he had to take out all his retirement money where he had to pay taxes and penalties, still not enough. So after his wife passed away, he got $1.5 million in debt. He wished that he had did a better job in planning for a solid financial foundation. And that's one of the reasons he decided to join us to educate people, share his story out there with people. So how much of life insurance do you need? And there's a very simple formula you can follow. It's called the DIME method. D stands for debt. In other words, this death benefit had to cover all the debt that the insured carry. The second is the income, protect the income. Because we know one person passed away, the income died along with it. So the benchmark around say 10 years or maybe longer or maybe younger, shorter, depending on the dependent child or children, what their age at. The third is the mortgage to cover the roof overhead for the family left behind. And lastly is the education, that for the children, the parents want to put them into the college, how much they're going to need. So all this should be covered and considered so that you have enough coverage should that happen. Unfortunately, life happens, right? And at least they have a peace of mind knowing everything's accounted for. So if this topic is interesting to you, and I invite you to look into how much you have, or if you don't have, then look into a trust financial service professional to help you. Or you can check out our financial literacy workshops where we cover to help you study informed and study looking for the information that help you. So down the road, you'll be really happy you have done that. Remember, fortune, value actions. Take actions.